Hi everyone and welcome back. So for today's episode I have this amazing and modern design from MD watch faces which is available on Google Play Store under the name of MD303. I'm giving away coupons for this watch face. All you have to do is that just drop a thumbs up and comment down in the comment section to be selected as a lucky random winner. Okay, now moving on to the watch face design, it has this clean looking time which is highlighted on the left side while the rest of the information is present here at the top and bottom. For example, at the top we have our date, day and battery bars which are also highlighted here, while the bottom section has step goal, step counter and heart rate monitor. Also we have a ton of app shortcuts with this watch face that you can customize according to your needs. For example, if I tap here on these three dots, I can assign any app to this watch face. In the same way you can assign another one here and here. Talking about customization, just long press on the watch face and now tap on customize. Here first of all you can change the color of stripes which are showing battery bars, step goal and heart rate. Then you can change the color of second. Next we can change the color of time. We have some bright colors available with this watch face. Further day and date colors can be changed as well. Next you can show or hide the second which is moving around the bezel of the watch face. And in the end we have some settings for complications. So check it out. This is MD303 available on Google Play Store. And if you're not able to win this watch face, just buy it and support the developer's amazing work. Always on display mode with MD303 is dimmed down. We have our time being highlighted in the same color that you have selected for the main watch face. So this was the watch face for today and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.